with the thunder, baby, might just clap it.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. I did not put out a watch list last Thursday going into Friday because I was busy that night, so I apologize for those that came to my channel looking for it. I told the people in the chat room I wouldn't be putting a watch list, so they knew. If you want to be up to date with what's going on and just join our chat room, it's free. It's a free chat room through the Discord app. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and you can go ahead and check that out. We have a few members on there, and we're helping each other out. Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel I created in order for me to share my experiences in the stock market and just to help people out. And it's not just me helping people. You know, I created this so people help me out because you know, I can see something and view it one way, but maybe somebody else sees it a different way, and that's the whole point of this. Everybody helping each other out. I'm not a financial planner. I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research. Just because I like something doesn't mean you should like it too. And by no means am I saying I'm a professional and that I'm a multi-million-dollar trader. That's not the case. I'm just somebody that learned this and want to pass it along and help people that want to learn. I am using TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. They're not sponsoring me to make these videos. I do have a Twitter account. Check that out. My handle is @BullsToTheWall, and I have an Instagram account. My handle is @BullsToTheWall Trading. So check those out. And again, if you want to join our free chat room through the Discord app, I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link to that chat room in the description. With that being said, this is going to be my watch list for November 20th, 2017, tomorrow, Monday. So for those new viewers, I am a momentum trader. So I like to trade momentum and a break above the pre-market high, previous day high, or intraday high. So let's get into it. So the first one on the list, let me get my tool ready. The first one on the list is CCJ. So we identify the high, which is at 940, and we draw the line, our resistance line there. What we want is, with good volume, for the price to come up, break through that line, and to keep going up. And that would be a momentum trade. You want to get it as soon as it breaks through the resistance line. You can get a little bit below it. That's all up to you. But we want the price to break and for it to keep climbing. So that's what I do for every single stock on my watch list. Next one on the list is CVRS. This one climbed up before the market closed, and it's at 106. So that is where we place our resistance line, at 106. Next one, ACFC. And there we go. So we identify the high, which is at $9.24, and that's where we draw our resistance line. MARK is one that's been really going up and down the last couple of days. We identify the high though, it's at 610, and it is right there. It is basically just hanging out at 610, so keep an eye on this one. BBG at $6.23. DDD at $8.42. So I'm going to draw a line here, but I'm also going to draw a line at 850 because, oh, did it not draw it? Why isn't it drawing it? Let's see. That's weird. Let me try over here. At 850 because that's a whole dollars and half dollar. Amounts are big mental resistance, so that's why I drew that line at 850. GLBS at 128. This one has a lot of ground to make up, but it did spike in the morning on Friday, so maybe it can do the same tomorrow. BTE at 309. AU at 1006, and it looks like it's hanging out right at 1006, so watch out for that one. And as you can tell, it ended on Friday going down, but it's slowly coming back up. That's what we want to see. EVLV, this one's at 145, but again, I'll draw a line at 150 for the reason that I stated earlier. EXPR at 783, CDE 742, and again I'll draw another line at 750 for that whole that $half resistance. AG at 684, and this is an old line that I'll get rid of. MOSY, this one's one that has had a good couple last days, so I definitely want to keep track of this one. It's at 145. I'm just gonna draw a line at 150 for that same reason I mentioned earlier. I would much rather get in close to 150 and not 145. AGI, this is a perfect example about $half being a mental resistance. It's no coincidence that this stock came all the way up, saw $6.50 and came back down. So that's why you have to keep in mind where the price is and ask yourself how close is it to either a whole number or a $half. For situations like this, it can come up to that $half and get rejected, or it could come up to a whole dollar amount and get rejected. And that was AGI. Next one, GNC. This one's at 693. I'm gonna put my line at 7 for the same reason that I just mentioned. It's close to a whole dollar amount, so I'm gonna round it up and put my line there. Let me get rid of this line. There we go. DRYS. This one's one that, you know, does whatever it wants. Sometimes it has a good day, sometimes it has a bad day. It did have a spike on Friday before the market opened, and then it went down. I want to see what it does tomorrow. So it always has good volume, so I definitely want to check this one out. And the line is at $4.14. FMSA at $4.97, but I have a previous line drawn at $5, so I'm going to keep that there. EKSO, same situation right here, guys. It came up to $2.50 and it didn't go past it. So this is validating what I've been saying, that $half and whole dollar amounts are a big mental resistance. So you could see it right there. It went to 250, it never crossed it. So I'm gonna leave my line right there. MICT at $1.30, and this one's seeing a lot of action after the market closed. So this one could be a good one. And VIPS at $10.25. So I'm gonna keep my line right there. Alright guys, so that is my watch list for tomorrow. Let me just make sure I did that. Yeah. Alright, so that's my watch list for tomorrow, for Monday, November 20th, 2017. If you like these videos, if you like my channel, if you enjoy what I'm doing, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Please check me out on my social media accounts I mentioned earlier. On Twitter, it's at @BullsToTheWall. On Instagram, it's at @BullsToTheWall Trading, and I do have a free chat room through the Discord app. I'll leave the link in the description. I've been getting a lot of positive comments, a lot of positive feedback. You know, the guys in the chat room, shout out to those guys. You know, I think we've, you know, helped each other out, and I think most people would agree that you know, we're creating a real positive environment. So if you like what I'm doing, just please give me a thumbs up, leave me a good comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, just so I can see that you know, you guys are being receptive and that you guys enjoy what I'm doing. With all that being said, you guys have a nice rest of your Sunday, and good luck trading in the markets tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.